friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of a bug on the application of Pokémon Go. You will go to settings. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Pokémon Go and you will click. Here we go to first stop and you will click OK. Then here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.